Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Usha Rani speaking to you all. Today I have just made a small video on how to create links to documents like PowerPoint or PDF documents or to Word documents, so that after you create a link, the link can be placed in whatever data sheet you want to place and submit or share with anyone else. So as few of my friends have asked me this particular doubt of how to create links to documents, I have just decided to make a small video and post it. So friends, let's see how to create the links to documents. So here, whenever you want to create a link, first you have to open your mail ID. So here I am opening one of my mail IDs. So I have opened the mail. After opening the mail, you just click on the menu buttons. After clicking on the menu buttons, you get all these Google options displayed. In that, you just click on the Drive button. After you click on the Drive button, you see that your Google Drive opens and all the documents in your drive will be visible like this. So then you just go to left hand side top corner, there will be a new button. Click on the new button and then you click on file upload. When you click on file upload, you get the choice of selecting any document that you want to upload into your drive. So now I will just select one of the PPTs, PowerPoint presentations, that is QC tests. I have selected this QC tests PowerPoint document and then click on open. So now then immediately in the right hand bottom corner you will see that one file is getting uploaded into your drive. Then click on the recent button of your drive. When you click on the recent button of your drive, you see that the QC tests what you have selected has got uploaded into your drive. So then you just give a right click on that PowerPoint, click on the share button. After you click on the share button, this particular type of a small window pops out. So this is my mail ID and it shows as owner. That means I have created that PowerPoint. That is my own PowerPoint. Then at the top you can see share with people and groups. So here you can add any of the mail IDs and then you can send to those particular people. And also you can see in the bottom of this window, restricted only people added can open this link. So it is your choice whether you want only restricted people to open your PowerPoint or anyone with the link can open the PowerPoint. Let me say anyone with the link can open with the PowerPoint. So that is the choice I made. That means whoever has the link of my PowerPoint can view in their mobile or PC or whatever it is. So you can also see here copy link. So you can copy this link and then you can place it in any of the documents that you want. So like any staff worksheet, etc. you can paste. So I have pasted it here. Just click the space button so that your link gets activated, and see, I'll just try to click on it and you can see that the PowerPoint is loaded into the data sheet wherever you want to place it. And when you click on that, naturally your PowerPoint gets opened. So now you open it with Google Sheets. So the PowerPoint opens like this. Okay, that is how you can create a link and then place it in the data sheet wherever you want to present. So this is the same procedure you can use for Word documents or PDF documents to create the links and place it into whichever document you want. So hope this small video is helpful. Thank you.